Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make Steam collection to organize games. To make a Steam collection to organize games, just follow these easy steps. Open Steam. Launch the Steam client on your Windows PC. Go to Library. Click on the Library tab at the top of the Steam window. Switch to Collections view. On the left panel, click on Collections under the Home tab. Click on Create a new collection. Choose Create New Collection button. Name your collection. Enter a name for your collection. For example, RPG games, favorites, or multiple player games. Choose a collection type. Choose Manual Collection if you want to add games manually, or Dynamic Collection if you want Steam to organize games automatically based on filters. So for this, I'll go for Manual. Select games for the collection. Drag the games you want to include in your new collection. Create collection. After selecting by dragging the games, the collection has been automatically created. View your collection. Your new collection will now appear in the left sidebar under the Collections section. Organize multiple collections. Repeat the process to create more collections for better organization. Edit collection anytime. Right-click on a collection and choose Edit Collection to add or remove games whenever you want to. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.